What's up, y'all? Okay, real quick, wanted to pop in on y'all because I wanted to share some amazing news with you guys, okay? So, first, you're gonna hear kids in the background. Y'all know stay-at-home mom life, right? However, if you guys already know, and if you don't know, I'm about to put you on game. I am hosting a 21-day challenge that starts January 7th, right? This 21-day challenge is going to challenge you to live your healthiest and your best life, and we are going to hit your health and fitness goals, and we're going to all do it together, okay? Now, as I told you guys earlier in my previous video, I was only taking 20 new clients because I want to make sure that I can give you guys as much attention individually as possible, and y'all did not play. I ended up having to open it up to even more clients, which is totally fine because I want to service as many clients as possible. So, with that being said, the reason why I'm popping in is because I wanted to make sure that I shared with you guys that I only have 10 more available slots. That is the most I'm taking after this. I'm only doing 10 new client slots. So if you haven't done so yet, hit the link that's down in the description box. It is literally a survey that takes all of 5 seconds to fill out. Once you fill it out, I will follow up with you to get you going. The sooner you get going when I respond back to you, the sooner you get your slot. So if I send you everything you need to do, you need to turn around and do it ASAP Rocky, okay? That way you are secure. That way you have your slot and all the slots don't fill up before you've had a chance to join us on this 21-day challenge, okay? And if you're not familiar with the 21-day challenge, let me go ahead and put you on game. Just check out the rest of this video and it goes into all detail in addition to the fact that it shows you my actual clients' results, okay? These are just a few clients that have been on a few challenges with me. They've had some amazing results, okay? And we are going to give you the same with dedication, perseverance, and a bunch of support, all right? So hit the link at the top of the description box, fill out the survey. I'll follow up with you as soon as possible. It is, like I said, important that you get back to me as soon as possible. Follow up with everything you need to do ASAP Rocky to secure your spot, all right? Love y'all, and on to the new year, y'all. And if you haven't found out about the 21-day challenge, and if you want to see the clients that I've worked with and their results, check this out. All right, real quick, let me give you guys the rundown of this 21-day challenge, okay? First and foremost, it starts January 7th, all right? So you still have plenty of time to join us. However, as I said earlier, there are only 10 open slots available and they will go fast, okay? So whatever it is that you do, move fast so that you can secure your spot, okay? Again, link is at the top of the description box. Starts on January 7th. Now, as part of this 21-day challenge, you will get a meal plan so you'll know what you're supposed to eat every single day of this challenge. You're going to get a workout plan so you will be able to know exactly what you're going to do from a physical perspective on a day-to-day basis throughout this challenge. It's also modifiable, and yes, you can work out from home or at the gym. You will also get one-on-one support from me to you, as well as private group support, in addition to the fact that you will be held accountable and we will be having weekly accountability, okay? So you will be on top of your task just as I'm going to be on top of mine, because again, we are all going to be doing this together, okay? Not only that, you're going to get supplement guidance and you're also going to obtain a family from this, because you guys, we literally have developed and grown the most amazing family, the most amazing team transformation family ever, and you guys will absolutely love it, okay? So let me go ahead and give y'all the rundown of some of the results that we've gotten. These are literally my clients and the results that they've gotten, all right? This beautiful lady has lost over 50 pounds with me, okay? And she has done 3 of my challenges and she is still going strong, right? Right now she's working on leaning out and tightening up. And so she is still one of my clients and she's absolutely amazing. Okay, here is my next client, okay? As y'all can see, y'all killing it, right? Y'all see the left side is her before. This on the right is her current. She has lost over 55 pounds with me, you guys. 55 pounds. Do y'all see that waistline, honey? Okay, snatched. And she's wearing the exact same outfit in both the before and the after pics, y'all. Now, this amazing woman, as you guys can see, these are progression pics. The left is her before and the right is the after. And guess what? She's lost over 40 pounds with me and she is still going on strong. She's moved on and moving on to our January challenge as well. Y'all, this right here is my baby girl, honey, and she has been with me for several months. She went from a size 14 to 16 to a size 8. So this is her just a couple of days ago. She actually just sent this to me. She is a size 8, y'all. She's down 33 pounds since July. So you guys, Come on now. What are you waiting for? Hit the link at the top of the description box. Fill out the survey, okay? And join us on this new challenge that starts January 7th. It's only 21 days, guys. That's all I'm asking for, okay? Another thing that I should let you guys know is that for those of you guys that live outside of the U.S. and Puerto Rico, I can now service many of you guys, okay? So for those of you guys that are international, all you have to do is fill out the survey down below. And when I follow up with you, just let me know where you are internationally so that I can see if it's an area that I can service. But now I can service outside of the U.S. and Puerto Rico, so that's great news. So for all of you guys that are overseas, just make sure that you guys fill out the survey down below, okay? Or you can hit me up at fitteamtransform@gmail.com and I will get you guys set up, all right? Good luck, you guys. Fill out the survey. Remember, I only have 10 more slots available, and that is it, you guys. So get on that survey and let's do this.